Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the third sum in exercise 1.2. So it has three subdivisions. We'll start with the first sum. It says that prove that the following are irrational, and the first one to prove is 1 by root 2. So first, in order to prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational, first we will prove that root 2 is irrational. So how are we going to prove root 2 is irrational? Assume that root 2 is rational. So assume root 2 is a rational number. So once we make this assumption, this tells you that root 2 can be written as a by b, where a and b are co-primes. So you cannot have any common factor between a and b. Now we know that root 2 is equal to a by b. I can write a as b root 2. And if I square it, a squared is equal to 2b squared. I'm going to mark this as an equation 1. Now, this means that a squared can be written as a squared by 2 is equal to b squared, telling you that 2 is a factor of a. Now, all I need to prove is that 2 is also a factor of b. So now that 2 is a factor of a, what is it that I can write? A is going to be equal to 2c, where c is a number. Okay, so now what is a squared? A squared is equal to 4c squared. I already know that a squared is equal to 2b squared. So I'm going to compare these two statements. So 2b squared is equal to 4c squared, or c squared is equal to 2b squared by 4, or c squared is equal to b squared by 2. So this tells you that 2 is also a factor of b. But we know that a and b are supposed to be co-primes. So this shows that therefore assumption is wrong. So what did we assume? The assumption was root 2 is rational. Therefore I can say my assumption is wrong. So root 2 is going to be irrational. So now that we have proved root 2 is irrational, the idea is to prove 1 by root 2 is irrational. So we have already proved root 2 is irrational. Now let's see how to prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. So again I'm going to make an assumption. So let's assume 1 by root 2 as rational. So when we assume 1 by root 2 as rational, this means that 1 by root 2 can be expressed as p by q, where both p and q are co-primes. So now let us rewrite this expression. So I can reverse this, right? So root 2 by 1 is equal to q by p, or root 2 is equal to q by p. Now we have just proved that root 2 is an irrational number and cannot be expressed in the form of a numerator by denominator. Therefore, our assumption that 1 by root 2 is rational is wrong. So once I say 1 by root 2 is rational is wrong, this means 1 by root 2 is irrational. So this is a two-step proof. The first step is to show that root 2 is irrational, and then the second step is to show that 1 by root 2 is irrational. In the next sum, we will solve the second subdivision in question 3 in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.